from Dongguan Shengen Metal Co. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of engineering tolerances in the realm of sheet metal fabrication. Let's illustrate this with real-life measurements from our workshop floor. The measure actual parts. One measures 1.419 inches, another is 1.427 inches, and a third is 1.480 inches. They differ slightly, but all are within the acceptable range. This variation is normal and accounted for in our quality control systems. So to recap, when designing for sheet metal, tolerances must be front and center in your design intent. They dedicate functionality and accuracy for the success of the part. Following these guidelines is key. They ensure that part remain within our fabrication capabilities, which in turn optimize cost and lead times. Remember, sheet metal parts have different tolerances expectations compared to machine parts. They are usually more cost-effective, provided that high tolerances are not essential. That's a wrap on tolerances in sheet metal fabrication. That's all for today's video. If you have any new projects or need a reliability partner to deliver high-quality processively packaged parts, contact us. Stay tuned for more insights into our world of precision and reliability. See you in the next video. Goodbye.